Welcome to Jungfraujoch, the top of Europe, a breathtaking destination nestled in the Swiss Alps. Prepare to embark on a virtual journey filled with majestic mountain views and extraordinary experiences. At an elevation of 3,454 meters, offers unparalleled vistas of iconic peaks like Eiger, Munch, and Jungfrau. The highest railway station in Europe awaits, promising a unique adventure. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the Aletsch Glacier, the longest glacier in the Alps, stretching an impressive 23 kilometers. Nature's grandeur unfolds before your eyes. Experience the thrill of the Jungfrau Railway, a marvel of engineering that winds through tunnels in the Eiger and Munch mountains. The journey itself is an adventure to remember. Step into the fascinating Ice Palace, a labyrinth of intricate ice sculptures waiting to be explored. The chill of the ice contrasts with the warmth of your awe. Ascend to the Sphinx Observatory, a vantage point offering a 360-degree view of the alpine landscape. Behold the beauty that surrounds you from this panoramic perch. Engage in a myriad of activities at Jungfraujoch, from hiking to snowboarding and sledding. Adventure beckons year-round in this natural wonderland. Jungfraujoch encapsulates the majestic beauty of the Swiss Alps, inviting travelers to explore its wonders and create unforgettable memories amidst Europe's high peaks.